Hey, it's Rihanna, aka Rhea, the cutest little Cali chick, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so tonight I am super excited about my video that I have planned for you guys tonight. I am making DIY hand sanitizer and DIY Lysol wipes. So I know supplies are limited due to our coronavirus outbreak. So it's very hard to get all the essentials. So what we're going to do, we're just going to make them. We're going to do like Rhea and we're just going to make something out of nothing. Alright? So that's what we're going to do tonight. I have original recipes, but I'm also going to add a little twist because I noticed with washing my hands so much and so extra and applying the hand sanitizer after washing my hands lately, it's been really drying on my hands. So I added a few spice ingredients to the recipe to make it a little bit more hand and user friendly. So tonight I have a little look. I'm eating some ice cream too, by the way. I am hungry as hell. Like, I need a snack, so I had to make me some ice cream. And I have a little look tonight. I wanted to switch it up, so I have like a little top bun, sloppy ponytail, with two little bangs right here, which I think are so cute. They're giving me like like belly vibes, like you can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Yeah, and then I have this little choker, so fucking 90s. I love it. And I have a little Chanel, like little cut off blazer showing the girls looking good. I'm just excited. Like, I'm all about positive vibes, all about just being grateful for what you have, and more abundance will come. Thank you to all our healthcare workers who are remaining positive and going to work every day to help the people who need it and who are actually suffering from the coronavirus. So you have my support and my appreciation. Thank you so much for that. I am chowing down on this ice cream, guys. It's delicious. So if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and become one of my supporters and friends. I'm super excited about my YouTube channel. I love it. I love crafting. I love creating. So come and join me on my journey. If you are already my supporter and friend, thank you again for tuning into another video, and leave me a comment. Let your girl know how I'm doing so far with the videos. How I'm looking, how's the content. I would really appreciate the feedback. Alright guys, stay tuned for the video. Okay, let's get straight into the video. A glass, non-porous, a spoon to stir, alcohol 70% or higher will kill any bacteria, 90% or higher is preferred. This is just what I had on hand already. Aloe vera gel, 100% pure, no color added. You can pick this up from Walmart, Dollar Tree, basically any store. It's very moisturizing. It's going to keep the hand sanitizer from drying your hands out. An empty bottle. This one is 3 ounces. It's very cute to me. It's pink. And I added some glycerin in the bottom just for some added moisture. 100% glycerin. And this is the top. It's like a little pop open top. But of course you can use like a little spray bottle pump if you like, because that's pretty nice too. Then some essential oils. I chose lavender. Now this part is optional. You don't have to put these in. And I also wanted to put some vitamin E droplets. I use this for my fingernails and sometimes just to rub in anything that I make for hands because it like keeps your hands nice and soft. I use a lot of bleach in my dishwater and stuff like that, so to keep my hands from being dry, I use that a lot. So now I'm going to use this little shot glass just to measure because guess what? Life is not that serious. We're just going to do 2 parts alcohol and then 1 part aloe vera gel. This is a really simple recipe and it's kind of fun to make. 1, 2, and then we're going to use the aloe vera gel. And this depends on your consistency that you would like for your hand sanitizer. If you like thicker hand sanitizer, after you stir your mixture, you can just add a little bit more aloe vera gel to the mixture and it will make it thicker. So it's just how you prefer it to be. I like it a little bit runnier, a little bit more runny, because my kids use it, so they like it to be to where they can like easily spread it on their hands. So a few drops of essential oils to make it smell good, and they're antibacterial, so they will kill some bacteria as well, and a few drops of the vitamin E oil. And I added a little bit more aloe vera just so it won't be like so runny. That's looking good. Now it's in the bottle. So now we're going to try it out and see how it's working. And over time, also it solidifies more. So do not worry if it seems like it's like really runny. It will solidify in the bottle. So put it on your hands. Let's see if it's moisturizing, if it's drying out like it's supposed to. Yep, looks good. So now we're going to move on to our Lysol wipes. Measuring cup, 3/4 water. It's just regular tap water. Again, with the vitamin E drops, like I love these things. Like they're so good for your hands and for your nails. And I'm using actual Lysol, but if you do not have Lysol on hand, in the description I will have a substitute substance solution that you can use instead of the Lysol. And I prefer to use like a round Tupperware because it just makes me feel like I actually bought them from the store. And I just got this Tupperware for $1 from the dollar store. And a roll of sturdy paper towels. But you can use any kind of Tupperware that you have that will keep them from drying out. And a nice serrated knife. So that's what we're going to use to make our Lysol wipes. So first, we're going to take our paper towel roll. And you're going to look at it and you're going to see about the middle. Again, life is not that serious. We're just going to cut it down the middle, wherever we see where the middle is. I just happen to always have backups. So I already had some Lysol solution refill on hand before all this craziness happened. But if you don't, again, I will have it in the description below, another solution you can use that's disinfecting besides actual Lysol. So we're just going to use that knife and we're just going to cut. We're going to get all the way to the middle to where we can just rip it, and we're going to have 2. So you'll have another one, you can do another one. So now that we have it cut in half, we're going to pull out that middle cardboard. You know, the little middle cardboard, you can just pull, and kind of like unwind it, I guess, and just pinch it and just pull it out. And now you have little short paper towels. And that's what we're going to use for our wipes. Now just cut it, or you could just cut it and pull it out, whichever one's easier for you to do. Now we're just going to stuff it in your container. To me, like I said, this container is cuter and it's easier to use because you're going to be pulling the wipes out from the center. It's going to look as if you bought them, but of course it's DIY. So just stuff it in there all nice. And there you go. And you want to be able to pull it from the center, so just kind of like spread it a little bit, and then that way you can like pull it from the center once you make your solution. So we're going to take our water. That's 3/4 cup of water. I'm adding some vitamin E. Again, this is optional. You don't have to, but all the extra hand washing and sanitizing right after washing, my hands have been getting super dry, so I'm just trying to combat that. Now I'm just going to add 1/4 solution, Lysol solution, to the water. Lysol is such a cute color. Like, look at that. It's so cute. I love that green color. So cute. And so now we're going to take it and we're going to pour it all over our napkins, our paper towels. Just spread it as evenly as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. It's all good. The first wipe is always ugly, so just don't even worry about that one. You know, don't even worry about it. The rest of them are going to come out so cute and easy. So now let it sit and soak down for a little while, just only about 10 minutes. And you see how it's already saturating. It's already about halfway saturated down the napkin, down the paper towel, because you don't want to put too much solution on this, ladies and gentlemen, because it will make your wipes way too delicate. But as you can see, mine are coming out without ripping, but you can see that it's not fully saturated at the bottom because the solution hasn't had time to completely go down the shaft of the paper towel. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I take the first wipe out and use it, because it's only been sitting for about 10 minutes, maybe 15, but you probably need a good hour for it to be perfectly saturated. I'm going to clean up my little area. See, wow, look at that. It's like really, it has a nice amount of solution on it. All right, thanks again, guys, for watching. Ria out. See you in the next one.